Polar bears might look like fluffy white giants, but don't let that fool you. These massive murder machines are one of the scariest animals on Earth. Here are 10 scary facts about polar bears that will make you think twice before calling them cute. 1. They will hunt you for sport. Unlike most animals that attack humans only when threatened, polar bears are one of the few animals that will actively hunt you down, not because they're hungry, but because you look like fun target practice. 2. They can smell you from 20 miles away. A polar bear's nose is so powerful that it can smell a seal under 3 feet of ice from over 20 miles away. That means if you're anywhere near a polar bear, it already knows you're there. 3. They are the largest land predators on Earth. Male polar bears can weigh over 1,500 pounds, 700 kilograms, and stand 10 feet tall on their hind legs. If one decides to maul you, it's like being hit by a refrigerator with claws. 4. They are basically bulletproof. Polar bears have thick skin, a 4-inch layer of fat, and dense fur, meaning bullets often don't stop them unless they hit the right spot. If one is charging at you, good luck stopping that furry tank. 5. They are insanely strong. A polar bear can crush a human skull with a single swipe and drag a 1,000-pound seal out of the water with one paw. That means you wouldn't stand a chance. 6. They are so desperate for food that they eat their own kind. As the Arctic melts and food becomes scarce, polar bears have started hunting and eating other polar bears, including their own cubs. Polar bear cannibalism is a real thing. 7. They can swim for days without stopping. Polar bears can swim over 60 miles, 100 kilometers, in a single stretch, and some have been recorded swimming for over 9 days straight. If you're in the water thinking you can escape, you can't. 8. They are completely silent when they hunt. Unlike other predators that stalk prey with some noise, polar bears move silently, blending into their surroundings. They are so good at sneaking that you won't know one is stalking you until it's too late. 9. They don't hibernate, they just keep hunting. Unlike other bears, polar bears don't hibernate. They stay awake all year, hunting constantly, even in the coldest, darkest Arctic winters. That means there is never a safe season from polar bears. 10. If a polar bear gets too hungry, it will come for humans. While most wild animals avoid humans, starving polar bears will walk into towns, break into buildings, and attack people for food. In some Arctic villages, kids have to walk to school in groups with armed guards to avoid getting eaten. Final thought: polar bears might look majestic and fluffy, but in reality, they are unstoppable, silent, human-hunting death machines. If they ever figure out how to migrate south, we're all screwed.